BHA, BHA, BHA.
So we all are aware that our founder chairman, Mrs. Jayashree Nagaraj, couldn't join the event today due to some emergency. But ma'am has left a message for all of us. I guess we also have a small video to play. Yes, we will do that. So quote unquote, ma'am says, "My hearty welcome to all the hardcore supporters of PHA without whom we would not have successfully completed 2 years as Southern Housekeepers Club and 9 years as PHA, which is the national body right now." Now, I think one of the most important things that ma'am would like to tell all of us is again about the event that we're going to be hosting on the September 14th, which is the Yuva event, basically for the younger potential housekeepers. And that will be the 5th Young Visionary Housekeepers National Convention and 7th PHA Yuva anniversary. Ma'am, I hope you're listening, and I hope everything is going on really well. A big round of applause for ma'am, and just as a, reminder that, oh, okay, ma'am, Grace ma'am says she misses you. So do all of us. And you know how much she misses us, Grace ma'am. It's really impossible to imagine, an event without ma'am sitting here and noticing everything that's happening around here. Okay, it's all for our good, for the good of the fraternity. May we have the video played, Mr. RSG?
BHA, BHA.
Mrs. Jayashree Nagaraj, the founder, president and chairperson are the force behind the Professional Housekeepers Association, has over 3 decades of rich experience in the hospitality industry, during which her hands-on attitude, penchant for constant innovation and ability to lead teams have been instrumental in growing and evolving the hotel industry to suit the specific needs of global traveler.
Very good morning to all. I started with this quote to tell you all that the mission drew for this organization called PHA is very much in line with the quote. We are not here to count the fruits at the end of each action of us. Our mission is to be a non-profit organization that synergizes the cleaning industry workforce.
Her unique blend of creativity, aesthetic style, and people management skills has produced award-winning strategies in housekeeping and management at various group of leading hotels in India. Academically, she has accomplished postgraduate diploma in Russian in addition to a master's degree in sociology. She started her career in hospitality industry with Welcome Group School of Management. Her vast experience includes setting up new hotels, refurbishing old ones, conceptualizing service standards, and developing stringent quality processes. Driven by a deep sense of work ethics, coupled with passion and pride of delivering quality and professional service, she has been instrumental in raising the profile of traditional housekeeper to that of a professional hotelier.
We have to have a PHA university which has to be collaborated with Nilfisk University, and we'll start something unique in this community.
Divine power driven association. So I'm blessed by only getting yes answer from whomever I go and request.
Prior to joining the Shash-In Group of Management Consultancy at a Senior Vice President Operations, she was with ITC Welcome Group of Hotels, Choice International, Raheja Group of Hotels, Chancery Pavilion, The Atria, Best Western Premier, and several others. Mrs. Jayashree Nagaraj's innovative housekeeping strategies have got her and the organizations she has associated with wide acclaim. She was awarded the GCC Puraskar for exemplary contributions in the field of hospitality in 2012 by Garden City College, Bangalore. She was awarded the Best Team Leader at Best Western Premier La Mavella in 2012-2013. She is also the recipient of Qualitas Visionary Award in 2014 and 2015 for conceptualizing and creating the foundation for PHA. She was awarded by FHSAI at Delhi for outstanding contribution to the hospitality industry in March 2017. The successful creation of the Telangana chapter and North chapter of PHA add to the feathers in her cap. For successfully working towards growth of housekeepers since more than 3 decades, Ms. Jayashree Nagaraj was conferred Visishta Seva Ratna Award during Toratori Impactive Day at Karnataka Engineers Academy, Basveshwanagar, for her extraordinary service and housekeeping fraternity.
This gives us a motivation, this gives us an inspiration that yes, definitely we would like to spread this kind of a knowledge and learning, sharing, development processes all over India, wherever the fraternity needs PHA, wherever the organizations, institutions have faith in PHA. Definitely we would like to foster PHA Yuva, which is our baby. We look forward and we only pray God to give us more positive energy and strength to keep doing and keep rocking the housekeeping industry of our nation.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all get ready to welcome Mrs. Jayashree Nagaraj, the founder, president and chairperson of PHA.
PHA! 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 PHA!